Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're heading right now to Mexico to see some racing. Gonna go meet up there's a police officer. So yeah, we're heading to Mexico. It's gonna be a few hours to get there. Heading there right now. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy, Grip Garage, and say he's gonna run a GT500. We'll see about it. Hopefully we get some runs. We will get some nice footage, and I'm really looking forward to that. And do something different, bringing you guys different type of content. Really excited about that. Other than that, beautiful day. Really excited. Alright guys, see you right there. Alright guys, so we just saw that the GT500 was having major traction issues. Keep in mind, this car is not even running a drag radio, so even from 60 miles per hour, this car was totally breaking loose. Spoke to the owner and he said that he's gonna get some drag radios, so once he gets some drag radios, we're gonna rerun it back and see what happens. Should be a close run. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hope you guys love this video or like this video, however. I want to give a huge shout out to Grip Garage, just the owner of the blue Mustang that you saw racing, 730 wheel. That car, it's incredible. That car, I mean, I've ridden on that car. That car with the new tires is scary fast. and we just saw it on the video. Make sure to subscribe to Grip Garage, and also I want to give a huge shout out to Vice City Performance, my boy with the Sonic Blue 03 Cobra. He gave me that footage on top of the Corvette, so thank you very much, Vice City. And make sure you guys go and subscribe to them. I'm gonna leave a link to their channel down below, and you know, go subscribe, and they have awesome content. So I just want to make sure to take my time and just give them a big shout out and say thank you for allowing me to be there and go to that event in Mexico and have a lot of fun and bringing you guys something different. So let me know your thoughts. Do you guys like this video? Do you like this type of content? And moving forward, I could go and film some cool cars and some more racing. All right, guys, so I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.